you, sir. Now, first question of free repeater. No problem. All are important. Think like that. Okay. Re-repeater, repeater, both papers are important. Re-repeater slightly difficult, slightly as compared to repeater. Okay. Repeater I have asked level 1 or 2. Re-repeater 1, 2, 3. All three levels are there. Okay. So all questions are important. Okay. Think like that. Don't think I am not discussing one by one. Both all will I will cover. Okay. So note down. So first question of re-repeater. When train stops suddenly, passengers in the running train feel an instant jerk in the forward direction. Suppose you are in a train. Now train suddenly stops. Passenger where they will fall? Forward or backward? Forward. Suddenly stops. That is inertia of motion or rest? Inertia of motion for the upper body. Okay. So the back seat suddenly pushes the passenger forward? No. Inertia of rest stops the train and takes the body forward? No. Upper part of the body continues to be in the state of motion, whereas lower part of the body in contact with seat remains at rest. Okay. So the lower part of the body which is in contact with the seat, that is at remains contact with the seat, but upper part of the body is in motion. Correct? Are you getting or not? Suppose this is the passenger. This lower part is attached with seat. Now seat is stopping, but upper part is still in motion. Correct? So that's why falling forward. So first question, third option. You keep this answer. Okay. So now second question, repeater. Man goes 10 meter north, 20 meter east. So 10j plus 10I. So what is the magnitude? Square root of 10 square plus 10 square. So what is the answer? 10 root 2. 10 root 2, what is root 2 value? 1.41. So 10 root 2 means it will be 10 into 14. Oh, sorry. 10 and 20. Correct, correct. 10 and 20. 10j plus 20I. So square root of 10 square plus 20 square. So 100 plus 400. Square root of 500. So 10 root 5. Root 5 value is 2.23. So 22.3. 22.3. So first option approximately. First option. Okay. Now re-repeater question number 2. Inertia is the property of body by virtue of which body is unable to change by itself the state of rest, unable to change by itself the state of uniform motion, unable to change by itself direction of motion. So all three are correct. 1, 2, 3. Fourth, unable to change by itself the state of rest and uniform linear motion. So they have combined option 1 and 2 in option 4. Option 4 they have combined both. Option 4 they are talking 1 and 2 both. So actually 3 is also correct. Inertia of direction. What is inertia of direction? Inertia of direction. What is this? Inertia of direction. What is this? Inertia of direction. Body cannot change its direction by itself. What is needed to change the direction? External force, very good. External force is needed to change the direction, to change the state of rest, and to change the uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, suppose a car is moving with uniform velocity. Now speed increasing or decreasing, so force is needed. Okay, so uniform velocity means it is also inertia of uniform motion. All are correct, huh? All correct, right? Actually all are correct. Okay, fourth, they have given option 4, or which, what is the option, tell me? Fourth. Actually all are correct, no doubt, all correct. Okay, so third, man getting down running bus falls forward, that is inertia of motion. Repeated third, man getting down running bus, suppose this is the bus, this is the bus, and this is the passenger. Bus is moving, say 15 kilometer per hour. Bus is moving, so what is the speed of man? 15 kilometer per. Now suddenly, while moving, bus is moving, and passenger will fall on the ground. So passenger is still in motion. Passenger is still motion. Fall on the ground. It will slip. It will slip on the ground. It will slip on the ground. So what happens? So why running bus falls forward? Slip. It will slip. So fall forward because inertia of rest or motion? Motion. Because in bus it was in motion. The person is also in motion, and suddenly ground is in motion or rest. Ground, rest. So what happens, the suppose legs of the person touching the ground, so legs will come in contact with the ground, come to rest, but upper body is still in motion, correct? So again it will fall forward, it will fall forward. So due to inertia of rest, road is left behind, man reaches forward. No, due to inertia of motion, upper body part continues to be in motion in forward direction while feet comes in contact with the road. So it is at rest. Matter of habit, no. Of the combined effect of all three factors, no. First is wrong. First is wrong, third is wrong. So second is correct. Okay. Second option correct. Okay, let's go to repeater now. So third question, repeater. Okay, note down. Boy walks to his school at a distance 6 kilometer with constant speed 2.5 kilometer per hour. Next page I will discuss. See, R. I will say R and RR. Okay. R question 3. R3. R3. Boy walks to his school. So what is the distance of school from home? 6 kilometer. Speed is constant 2.5 kilometer per hour. Then coming back with speed 4 kilometer per hour. Average speed for round trip. What is the formula for average speed? Total distance by total time. So round trip, total distance by total time. Very important formula. Average speed. Average speed. So what is the total distance? 6 plus 6. And total time T1 plus T2. Tell me what is T1 and what is T2? Tell me. 6 by 2.5. T1. Distance by speed. T2, tell me. 6 by 4. Very good. So 6 by 2.5 can be written as 60 by 25. So 12 by 5. And T2 can be written as 3 by 2. So this is 6. 6 into 2. 6 plus 6 is 6 into 2. By 12 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now solve this. 12 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Okay, solve. So 24 plus 15 by 10. 39 by 10. Correct? Hmm. So 12 by 39 by 10. So 120 by 39. 120 by 39. And there is direct formula also for this question. Tell me direct formula. 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Okay. So 2 into 2.5 into 6. Oh, sorry, 4 into 4 by V1 plus V2. 2.5 plus 4. The values are not easy. No problem. So this is 2 into 10 by 6.5. So 20 by 6.5. Oh, so 2.5, correct. 2.5 into 4 by 2.5 plus 4. 6.5. 20 by 6.5. Oh, 30 and 50 are there. Sorry, sorry. 30 and 50. No, third question. Wait. Correct only. So what is the answer? 2.5 and 4. 40 by 13. 40 by 13. Correct. So 200 by 65. Cancel by 5. So 40 by 13. Yes. Here also 14 by 40 by 13. Okay. 40 by second option. Note down. Now, so direct formula. Okay. Note down. 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Note down. Okay. Fourth also I am doing R. R4. Car travels first half distance with 30, second half with 50. Again same formula. 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. When distances are halved. When distances are halved. Distance halved means this formula. Time halved means when time is halved, what is the formula for that? V1 plus V2 by 2. When time is halved. Now fifth, R5. One car moving straight road covers one third distance with 20, rest with 60. One third distance, suppose total distance 3D. So what is one third distance? 2D. Next remaining distance will be 2D, right? D and 2D. So during one third, what is the average, what is the speed? 20. And remaining distance, what is the average speed? 60. Now calculate time, T1 and T2. Tell me what is T1? First one third distance, what is the time? Distance by speed. And what is T2? 2D by 60. So D by 20 by, and T2 is D by 30. So what is total time? Total time, tell me. D by 20 plus D by 30. So D by 10 common. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So total time D by 10. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. How much? 1 by 5 by 6. Good. 5 by 6. 5 by 10. 1 by 2. So what is the total time? D by 12. Now entire journey. Entire complete journey. Complete journey. What is the average speed? Total journey means complete journey total distance by total time. What is total distance? 3D. And what is total time? D by 12. So 3 into 12. DD cancel. Right? Are you getting not? DD cancel. So what is the answer? 36. Note down. Tell me. 4 o'clock test is there. Repeater, all. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Test daily test is for all repeater also. Okay, okay, fine. Now R4. Now RR4. RR4. Newton's first law of motion describes. Tell me. Inertia. Correct. Okay. Inertia of direction, inertia of rest, inertia of uniform motion. Three types. Okay. So third option. Now RR5. Resultant of two forces 3P and 2P is R. First is doubled, resultant also double. What is the angle? So case 1, solve like this. What is the first case? First force is 3P, second force is 2P. So what is R square? 3P square plus 2P square plus 2 into 3P into 2P cos theta. Now case 2. What is case 2? First is doubled. So what is the new value of first force? 6P. Resultant is also double. So what is the formula now? 2R. Resultant is doubled. Whole square is equal to, yes, solve like this. 2 into 3P becomes 6P. Are you getting? Okay. So, this is 4 R square is equal to 36 P square plus 4 P square plus 6 to 2 12 into 2 24 P square cos theta. Correct? Cancel by 4. So R square is equal to 9 P square plus P square plus 6P square cos theta. And what is R square from here? What is R square from here? 9P square plus 4P square plus 6 into 2, 12P square cos theta. So equate these two. Equate these two. This is R square. This is also R square. Equate. So 13P square plus 12P square cos theta is equal to 10P square plus 6P square cos theta. Good. Now, can we cancel? No, we cannot cancel. 13 minus 10, 3. 3P square is equal to 12. Take 12P square, right side. 6 minus 12 minus 6P square. Yes. So P square cancel. So what is cos theta? Correct. Good. So what is theta? 120 degree. Very good. 120 degree. Note down. Note down. Very important this type of questions. Okay. Sixth. Okay. One. RR6. Two forces are such that sum of their magnitudes. Let forces are A vector and B vector. So what are the magnitudes? A. Magnitude of A. What is magnitude of B? B. So A plus B. Now A plus B is given as 18. Their resultant is perpendicular to smaller. So suppose this is the resultant and this is the smaller. Let A is smaller. Let I'm assuming A is smaller. So this is the resultant. This is the resultant. Complete the parallelogram. We have done this, right? This is B vector. Can you tell me what is this angle? 90 and this angle theta. So, tan alpha, what is the formula for tan alpha? B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Very good. And alpha is 90 here. Alpha is 90. So, tan 90 is B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Now, tan 90, what is value tan 90? Tell me, tan 90. 1 by 0. So, cross multiply. So, A plus B cos theta is 0. So, what is cos theta? Minus A by B. Cos theta is minus A by B. Resultant is given as 12. What is the formula for resultant? R square A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Good. And cos theta is this. Put here. And R value also put here. 12 square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB into minus A by B. Okay, BB cancel. Okay. So 12 square is equal to A square plus B square. What is this? Minus 2A square. Good. So B square minus A square is 12 square. Now B square minus A square, what is that? A plus B into A minus B. Good. So B plus A into B minus A. Now B plus A is given 18. So 12 into 12 is equal to 18 into B minus A. Now cancel by 6, 3 times, 2 times. This cancel by 3, 4 into 2. So 8 is equal to B minus A and B plus A is equal to 18. Now solve these equations, add these two. If you add, what you get? 2B is equal to 26. So what is B? 13. B is 13. Good. B is 13. Then what is A? B is 13. So what is A? 5. A is 5. B is 13. Note down. Okay, clear? We have done this in practice. Both repeater, re-repeater, I have taught that. Okay. See, after 1 month, anyway, now I am combining both batches. So, okay, see. Okay, clear? If you missed anything, you tell me. You make a list of topics. One day I will cover all the topics. Okay. So next you write 7th question. RR7. So three forces are there: F1, F2, F3, which correctly shows addition of F1 and F2 and resultant is F3. Yield means resultant, sum. So third is correct. Third option is correct. Okay. Third option is correct. Note down. Third option is like this. This is F2 vector. This is F1 vector. Now what is this vector? F3 vector. F3 vector, F2 vector, F1 vector. So parallelogram it is, right? Or triangle law? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. So correct only. What is wrong with 1? So this is third option. It is correct. Why 1 is wrong? Yes, this is F1, this is F2, and they have drawn this is F3. F3 should be like this, not like this. What is wrong with 2? F1, F3, F2. This is a triangle law. Triangle law. But what is the relation? What is the relation? Which two same order? F1 and F3. Very good. So F1, F2. And what is the resultant of F1, F2? F3? F2. F1 plus F3 is F2. So this is again wrong. According to question, F1 and F2 are added, F3 is resultant. But here F1, F3 added, F2 is resultant. Okay. So second is wrong. Fourth is also wrong. This is second. And fourth, what is wrong? This is F1, this is F3, and this is F2. Here which two are added? Tell me which two are added. Everyone tell which two are added. F2, F3 resultant F1. So wrong. According to question, F2, F1 added, F3 is resultant. Okay. So here the relation is F2 plus F3 is equal to F1. Now eighth. Which of the following sets of current concurrent? What is concurrent? Concurrent forces means acting at same point. Acting at same point like this. These are concurrent forces. These are concurrent forces. They are acting at same point. Okay. They are in equilibrium. So how to solve these type of questions? We have discussed this in class also in vectors. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 15, 3, 5, 6. You take first two. First two you take. What is the maximum? 8. Minimum. Minimum. 2. Second maximum. 8. Minimum. 2. In third option, what is the maximum? 8 minimum, 2. Oh, four, all are same only. Okay. Fourth option also maximum 8, minimum 2. Now you tell maximum is 8. 9 is possible. Resultant. If maximum is 8, so 9 is not possible. Maximum is 8, minimum is 2. So 1 is possible. Less than 2 not possible. 2 is minimum. So 1 not possible. Okay. Maximum is 8. 15 not possible. Maximum is 8. Minimum is 2. So 6 is between 2 and 8. 6 is between 2 and 8. So this is possible. Okay. Are you getting? Think like this. Okay. Okay. Fine. RR 9. Same method. First option 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 10, 30, 40, 80, 1, 3, 5. Now first option, what is the maximum? 7, minimum 1. So 5 is between 1 and 7. So possible. Okay. So possible. So first is correct. Second, what is the problem? What is the maximum? 9. So 10 is not possible. Now 30 and 40 maximum? 70. So 80 not possible. 1 and 3 maximum? 4. So 5 not possible. Okay. 10th. After this, I will go to R. RR. No, this is RR. Yes. Okay. 10th. 3 blocks are there. 3, 2, 1. 3 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg. You are exerting force on 3 kg. Consider the following statement. 2 statements. Frictionless surface. All blocks move with same acceleration. True or false? True. Good. Net force on each block is same. False. Suppose acceleration is A. So what is the net force on 3 kg? 3A. And what is the net force on 2 kg? 2A. And what is the net force on 1 kg? 1A. Okay, net force is different. So B is wrong. So only A correct. So first option. Okay, fine. Now come to R. Note down. Which question we are doing? Fifth or sixth? Fifth. Okay, fifth. R5. Note down. One car moving on a straight road covers one third with 20, rest with 60. This is over. Fifth is over. Person travels half distance with V1, remaining half with V2. Direct formula 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. When distance half, seventh, car travels A to B with 20, returns with 30. Again, same formula. Going time distance D, coming time distance D. So half, half. So same formula 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Use it. Okay. Now eighth, car travels first half with 30, second half with 40. Again same formula. Same formula. 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Ninth, one car moving on a straight road covers one third with 20, rest with 60. Repeated question. 10th. Now 10th question. Train. Train 150-meter long, uniform velocity. Time taken by train to cross bridge of length 850 meter. See, suppose this is the train. The length of the train is 150 meter. Now there is a bridge here. This is the bridge. Suppose this is the bridge. Okay. This is the bridge. So crossing is start. This is the train. Crossing is start. What do you mean by crossing is start? What do you mean by crossing start? When the engine is just entering the bridge, right? And crossing finish means last bogie. Last bogie. This is the last. It is leaving the bridge. Now crossing finish. Crossing finish. So what is the total displacement? Total displacement. Tell me. What is the length of the bridge? It is given 850. 850 meter. So now look at the engine. This is the engine. Engine covers how much distance? 850. Then extra how much distance? 150. Here is the engine. So what is the total distance covered by engine? 1000. So time we can calculate, distance by speed. So 850 plus 150 by speed, which is 45 kilometer per hour. 45 kilometer per hour. Convert into 5 by 10. Cancel by 9. So 5 times, 2 times. So 25 by 2. 25 by 2. So 1000 by 25 by 2. 1000 by 25 is 40. And this 2 will go to the numerator. So 80 seconds. 80 seconds. Okay, note down. 11th is again same formula. No, time it is. 11th time they are dividing into half. Suppose total time is 2t. First half time speed is v1. Next half time speed is v2. So for entire journey, what is the formula? V1 plus V2 by 2. Okay. 11th. 12th. 12th, you see 12th question. Car covers 2/5 of total distance with V. Total distance is 5D. So what is the 2/5? 2D. And remaining distance 3D. Now 2/5. This is known as 2/5. 2/5. Okay. It is going with V1 and remaining distance it is going with V2. Now calculate time taken. What is time taken here? Distance by speed. Time taken here? Distance by speed. So entire, now complete journey. Complete. For complete journey, what is the total distance? 5D. And what is the total time? 2D by V1 plus 3D by V2. Understood? Now DD cancel. So 5 by 2 by V1 plus 3 by V2. Solve this. You solve like this. A by B plus C by D is AD plus BC by BD. Okay? Apply this here. Tell me. 2V2 plus 3V1 divided by V1 V2. So what is the answer? 5V1 V2 by 2V2 plus 3V. Okay. Okay. 13. 100-meter long train moving with 45 km per hour. Time taken by the train to cross the bridge. Again, same method. Use the same method. Okay. So what is the total distance? 100-meter plus length of the bridge 1000 meter by speed. Now speed is 45 km per hour. So 45 into 5 by 18. Okay, solve this. Solve this, you will get. Note down. Now 14. Note down. Copy this. Everyone. Okay, 14. Clear? Any doubt? Yes. Bullet fixed, fired into fixed target loses half its velocity after penetrating 3 centimeter. How much further it will go to come to rest? There is a direct formula for this. What is the direct formula? Y is equal to xy, you know, eta square minus 1. Suppose this is the bullet. This is the bullet, it is coming with speed u. And this is the wood. This is the wooden block. Fixed. Fixed wooden block like a wall. You can call it wall also. After penetrating x distance, what is the speed? U by eta. After penetrating further y distance, what is the speed? 0. So this is the formula. Y is equal to x. This formula is correct? Tell me. Correct? Okay. Good. So what is the answer? X is given how much? 3. And eta is given how much is lose? How much loss? Loss in speed, tell me. Loss in speed? Half. Loss is half. 1 by 2 u. So what? How much is left? If half speed is lost, so how much is left? U by 2. So what is eta? 2. So x by 2 square minus 1. So x by 4 minus 1. So x by 3. Okay, and x is 3. So how much further it will go? 1. Note down. Direct formula. Okay, this is how much left, how much now, how much now, u by 2, loss is u by 2. 15, body travels half distance with 40, remaining half with 60. So 15th, again same formula, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2, distance halved, distance halved, okay, distance halved. 16, particle experiences acceleration for 20 seconds after starting from rest. S1 in first 10 second, S2 in next 10 second. So solve like this. Suppose this is the first 10 seconds and this is the next 10 seconds starting from rest. So S1 and S2, first 10 second S1, next 10 second S2. Now use the formula S is equal to half AT square because U is 0. So one time you consider A to B, second time you consider A to C. A to B and A to C. What is the advantage? A to B and A to C, tell me. U is 0. A to B, A to C. Don't take B to C. A to B, A to C. So U is 0. So tell me, A to B, what you write? Tell me. S1 is half A 10 square. A to C, what you write? S1 plus S2 is equal to half A total time 20. Very good. 20 square. Now divide these two. So S1 by S1 plus S2, S1 by S1 plus S2 is 100 by 400. A by 2, A by 2 cancel. 100 by 400. 1 by 4 cross multiply 4S1 is equal to S1 plus S2. So 3S1 is equal to S2. Are you getting? So S1 by S2 is equal to 1 by 3. Note down. Second option. So S1 is S2 by 3. S1 is S2 by 3. Note down. 17 question. Displacement X is given. A0 plus A1t plus A2t square. Acceleration. First you find velocity. Differentiate this. 0 plus A1 plus 2A2t. Now again differentiate this. So 0 plus 0 plus 2A2. So acceleration is 2A2. Note down. 18. Electron starting from rest. Velocity that increases linearly with time. So 18. Note down. So what is the velocity of electron? Kt. Velocity of electron Kt. K is 2. So velocity is equal to 2t. Now you have to find distance traveled in first 3 seconds. Find the distance in first 3 seconds. So we can use V is equal to U plus AT. If you use V is equal to U plus AT, U is 0. So V is equal to AT and V is equal to AT given 2t. So what is the acceleration? 2. Acceleration is 2. So distance in first 3 seconds you can use half AT square. U is 0. So easy, right? Half AT square. U is 0. So half A t square. First 3 means 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means 3 seconds. So 3 square. So 9. Okay. 2 to cancel. 9 meter. 19. Relation between time and distance is given. T is equal to alpha. That equal to sign is missing. Okay. Write equal to here. So T is equal to alpha x cube plus beta x. So we have done this in class. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate, note down, with respect to x. So dt by dx is equal to alpha into 3x square plus beta into 1. So dt by dx is 1 by v 1 by v is 3 alpha x square plus beta. 1 by v. Now 1 by v means v raised to minus 1. V raised to minus 1. 3 alpha x square plus beta. This is v inverse. Correct? Understood? V inverse. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So write like this, d by dt of v raised to minus 1. Then 3 alpha d by dt x square plus d by dt of beta. Now beta is constant, so this will be 0. Differentiation of constant 0. And chain rule, you apply chain rule here. So you write like this, d by dv of v raised to minus 1 into dv by dt is equal to, this is 3 alpha, and again chain rule here. So d by dx of x square into dx by dt. Okay, this is 0. Now solve this. So v raised to minus 1, what is the differentiation? Minus 1, v raised to minus 2. Very good. And dv by dt means acceleration. Then 3 alpha, differentiation of x square with respect to x. Tell me how much? 2x. And what is dx by dt? V. So minus a by v square is equal to 6 alpha x v. So a is equal to 6 alpha x v cube. What is p here? What is the answer given? Third. What is the answer? X is also coming. To v. Yeah, x is also coming. So misprint is there. Option will be third option. No. 6 should be there. Option misprint is there. Note down. This is the correct answer. Note down. Some misprint is there. Okay. We'll check. Okay. Next 20th. Note down 20th. Motor car moving with uniform speed 20 comes to stop after 10 meter. Displacement is 10 meter. Final velocity 0. Initial velocity 20. They are asking acceleration. Now, which formula you will use to relate S, V, U and A? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So, A is equal to V square minus U square by 2S. Use it. 0 square minus 20 square by 2 into 10. Okay, clear? You will get the answer. Minus 400 by 20. So, minus 20. Minus 20. Note down. 21. Initial velocity of body moving along a straight line is 7. It has uniform acceleration 4. Distance covered by the body in 5th second. So ascent. So U is positive, A is positive. So no U-turn. No U-turn. Okay. No direction change. No direction change. So distance and displacement same. So distance and displacement same. So ascent means displacement in nth. Remember, ascent means displacement in nth second. Displacement in nth second. What is the formula? U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. U is 7, A is 4, N is given fifth. So 2 into 5 minus 1. So 7 plus 2 into 9. So 7 plus 18. So 25. Okay, total 25. Okay, now come to RR. So RR, which question we are doing? 11th. RR 11th. Rope of length L pulled by a constant force F. So tension at distance X. Find tension at distance X from end where force X. Okay, this is the rope. You are exerting force here. You have to find tension here. This is X. This is the distance X. Okay. So you divide. So what is this distance? L minus X. So you can consider two blocks. You can consider two blocks like this. So what is the mass of this block? Mass of this block? M by L into X. What is mass of this block? M by L into L minus X. Very good. So suppose this is M1, this is M2. So what is the formula for tension here? M2 by M1 plus M2 into F. Now M2 is this. So M by L into L minus X. This is M2 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 means total mass. So M. MM cancel. So what is the answer? Final answer? L minus X by L. L minus X by L into F. So you can also write 1 minus X by L into F. Okay, note down 1 minus X by L into F. You understood? Very important. Okay, 12th. Note down 12th. So pulleys are there. 12th question. So pulleys are there. This is the ceiling, clamp, pulley, blocks, block A, block B, block C. So mass of each block is 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg. What is the total mass on the right side? Total mass on the right side 4 and left side 2. So acceleration means difference by sum into g. What is the difference? 4 minus 2 and sum 4 plus 2 into g. So 2 by 6 into g. So what is the acceleration? G by 3. Now you have to find tension between B and C. Tension between B and C. So tension on C will be up. So for C downward is 2g, 20, upward is t. Acceleration is downward. Acceleration downward. Which is greater, 20 or t? 20. Good. So 20 minus t is equal to ma. So 2a. So 20 minus t is equal to 2a. Now a we got g by 3. So 10 by 3. So 20 minus t is equal to 20 by 3. Okay. So 20 minus 20 by 3 is equal to t. 20 common, 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 20, 40 by 3. Note down, tension between B and C. Tension between B and C. Okay. 20, 40 by 3 means 13 point something. 13 point something. Approximately 13. Note down. So second option. Okay, 13 question. Note down. So we have done this in class. Direct formula, you know direct formula, 13 question. One block here, another block here. That rat and mouse question. So here M1, here M2. What is the acceleration? M2g by M1 plus M2. And what is the tension? Tell me. Tension M1A2A by M1 plus M2. We have done class. So they are asking acceleration. So m2 is 5. So 5 into 10 by 4 plus 5. So 50 by 9. 50 by 9 means 5.55. 5.55. Note down. So why exact answer not matching? You take G value 9.8. If you take G as 9.8, you will get exact answer. So 5 by 5 plus 4 into 9.8. Solve this, you will get exact answer. 5.44 you will get. Okay, 5.44. Okay, next 14. 2 kg, 3 kg attached to string, pulley is there, fixed at the top. Tension again, same formula. So 14, what is the formula for tension? 2 product G by sum. And acceleration, what is the formula? Difference greater minus smaller by sum into G. Use the formula, you will get. Okay, 15. 3 blocks. Okay, 3 blocks A, B, C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Tension between A and B, the string, this is the string. Here T1, T1, here T2, T2, and here T3. You are exerting force here, T3. So 3 blocks, 1, 8, 27, 1 kg, 8 kg, 27. Next, T3 is 36. T3 is given as 36. Okay, tell me. So what is the acceleration? Acceleration, external force by total mass. What is total mass? 36. So what is the acceleration? 1. Now they are asking T2. They are asking T2. So draw FBD of C. Free body diagram of C. So for C, what is the rightward force? 36. Leftward force? T2. Acceleration is where? Right side. So which is greater? Right side greater. So 36 minus T2 is equal to MA. 27A. Net force, net unbalanced force is mass into acceleration. So 36 minus T2 is 27 into 1. So 27. So T2 is 36 minus 27. So what is the answer? 9. T2 is 9. Note down. Equilibrium again. So 16th question. Note down, note down. So find acceleration first. Okay, good. Then FBD. Okay, all steps. Good, very good. Step by step, all you see, observe. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, 16. Sorry. Okay, 16th. Body of weight 2 kg suspended as shown. Here is 2 kg and this is the, here we have T1. Okay, what is 1 kg weight? What is 1 kg weight? Weight of 1 kg. What is the weight of 1 kg? Weight of 1 kg mg. 1 into g, 10. So 1 kg weight means 10 Newton. 2 kg weight means 20 Newton. Very good. 2 kg weight is 20 Newton. Okay. So you have to answer in kg weight. So first you find tension. So this is 2 kg weight, means the mass is 2 kg. So here will be 20 Newton and here tension is not given in question. You can assume this is T2 and this is T1 and this angle is given, this angle is given, this angle is 30. So you can use Lebesgue theorem, you can solve using component also. Which method? Component. So what is the left component of T2? T2 cos 30, very good. And this is T2 sin 30. and right side t, this is 20. They are equal, they are equal. So to t2 sine 30 is 20. So t2 is 40. Okay, and t2 root 3 by 2 is t1. So t2 is 40. So 40 root 3 by 2 is t1. So t1 is 20 root 3. Okay, t1. So t1 is 20 root 3 Newton. T1 is 20 root 3 Newton, and 10 Newton means 1 kg weight. So this is 2 root 3 kg weight. Okay, clear? 2 root 3 kg weight. Note down. Note down. Note down. Kg weight. Okay. This is also known as kgf. What is kgf? Same thing. Kgf is also known as kg weight. Same thing. Both are same. Both are same. Okay. kgf, kg weight. So 17 question. Okay, 17. You mass 10 gram suspended by a string. Entire system falling with uniform acceleration 400 centimeter per second square. Okay, suppose this is the string. This is the string. This is the block. Upward force is tension. Downward force mg. Acceleration is where? Up or down? Falling down. So acceleration is down. So which force is greater? Which force is greater? mg. So what you write? Unbalanced force mg minus t is equal to ma. Tension. So mg minus ma is equal to tension. Now what is the value of g? 980, and mass is 10 gram. Everything is CGS. You know CGS system? What is the unit of mass in CGS? Unit of mass? Gram. Length? Centimeter. Good. So acceleration will be centimeter per second square. Force will be dyne, right? Dyne. So mg will be mass 10 gram into 980 minus m, again 10 into acceleration. Acceleration is given 400. Solve this. Take 100 common. Take 100 common. So 98 minus 40. So 100 into 98 minus 40, how much? 58, correct? So what is the answer? 5800 dyne. Note down. 5800 dyne. Any doubt? Any problem? Note down. Force vector applies. So force is given 6i minus 8j plus 10k. Okay. Acceleration is given 1. So what is the mass? So use this formula. F vector is equal to m into a vector. So take magnitudes. When you take magnitudes, left side you write F is equal to ma. Now these are magnitudes. So what is m? F by a. Now what is the magnitude of f? Tell me. Square root 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. Tell me 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64 plus 100. 64 plus 36 plus 100. Tell me how much? 200. So what is the answer? 10 root 2. 10 root 2 by a. A is 1. So 10 root 2. Mass is 10 root 2 kg. Average force 19. Average force needed to stop bullet. Penetration of wood, penetrate into wood for 12 centimeters. So use v square minus e square is equal to 2as. So what is v square? Finally it is stop. And u, what is u? 250 and 2a. And how much it is penetrating? 12 centimeters. So displacement is 0.12. Okay, 12 centimeter can be written as 0.12 meter. So this is the find acceleration now. So 250 square is equal divided by 2 into 0.12 is equal to A. Okay, so this is A. Now force is equal to ma. Now mass is given 20 gram. So 20 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, A. So 250 square by 2 into 0.12. Now solve this. So this is how much? 2 into 2 to cancel. Okay. Then this is 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2. 25 square and then 10 square. Okay, understood? Divided by 0.12. 10 raised to minus 2, 10 square, cancel. Now, so this is 25 into 25, 625 by 0.12. 625 by 0.12. Okay. So 62500 by 12. So you see all options have 10 raised to 3 is there, right? So you can write 62.5 into 10 raised to 3 by 12. So 12 into 5 is how much? 12 into 5? 60. So slightly more than 5, correct or not? 12 into 5 is 60, correct? Are you getting? So slightly more than 5. So fourth option. 62.5 by 12. It is more than 5, correct? So fourth option, note down. Fourth is correct. Fourth option. Okay. Average resistance that must act on 5 kg to reduce speed from 65 centimeter. Convert centimeter into meter. See. U is 0.65 meter per second. V is 15 centimeter. So 0.15 meter per second. Time is given 0.2 second. Mass is given 5 kg. Mass is 5 kg. So which equation you will use? U, V, A, T. Which equation? V is equal to U plus AT. So A is equal to V minus U by T. So V minus U, V minus U, 0.15 minus 0.65 by 0.2. 0.15 minus 0.65, how much? Tell me. How much? Tell me 0.15 minus 0.65, how much? Minus or plus? Minus. How much? 0.55. No. 50. 0.50. Good. Minus 0.50 by 0.2. So now this is 0.5 by 0.2 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5 negative. Okay. So acceleration is minus 2.5. So force is ma. F is equal to ma. So mass is 5. 5 into solve. 5 into 2.5, how much? 12.5. So negative 12.5, no doubt. 12.5. Magnitude they are asking, so 12.5. Body of mass 2 kg, initial velocity 3 along OE, subjected to, see, initial velocity is what? 3 meter per second along OE. I think they are talking east and north. No, diagram is not there. Subjected to force of 4 Newton in direction perpendicular to OE. Okay, this is the force. How much is force? 4 Newton. Force is 4 Newton. Distance of the body from O after 4 seconds. So how it will go? This is the velocity. This is the force. So it will follow parabola like this. Okay. It is parabola. Note down. It is parabola. So it will be here. So horizontal velocity will be same. Okay, this is 3. And what is the vertical velocity? V is equal to u plus at. Vertically, what is velocity initial? Vertically, what is initial velocity? 0. And so you can use u plus at. So 0 plus a. And what is a? Force by mass. So mass is given 2. First line it is given 2 kg. So acceleration is 2. So u plus a into t. Now time is given. What is the time? 4. So 8. Now this is 8. This is 3. They are asking distance. Actually, they are asking displacement. It is a misprint in this question. They are asking displacement. This is the displacement. This is the distance. But distance we cannot calculate easily. Actually, they are asking displacement only. Note down. We'll check both. We'll check both. So now find displacement. So x direction, y direction. X direction half a t square, ut plus half a t square. So x direction initial velocity 3, time is 4, acceleration is 0, ax is 0. Okay, ax is 0. So 12 meter it is going x direction, and y direction how much going? Ut plus half a t square. Now u is 0, y direction u is 0, acceleration is 2. So half 2 into 4 square. So 16. 16 meter it is going where? Y direction. Okay. So this is the displacement. So square root of 20, sorry, square root of 12 square plus 16 square. Square root of 144 plus 256. 144 plus 256 is 400. So 20. Okay. So 20. You change it. Is misprint is there. It is displacement. You change the distance to displacement. Okay. It is displacement. Note down. Okay. 21 over 22. Say 22. Particle moving in straight line covers half distance with 3. Other half distance is covered in 2 equal time intervals. See. Note down. 22. Particle moving in straight line covers half distance. So total distance you assume, what is the total distance? 2d. First half distance d, second half distance d. Now first half distance, what is the speed? 3. So what is the time taken? Time is equal to distance by speed. So d by 3, are you getting? Okay, what is the remaining distance? D. It is covered in some time, say t2. So half of this is t2 by 2. Okay, let's take this as 2t. Let's take 2t, because t2 again I am writing like this. It is confusing. T2 by 2 it is confusing. So I am considering this as 2t. See, A, B, C. A to B, what is the distance? D. B to C, what is the distance? D. A to B, what is the time taken? T1. T1 is D by 3. B to C, what is the time taken? 2t. So half of that is T. Remaining half is also T. Now half time, what is the speed? 4.5. And this half, what is the speed? 7.5. So meter per second. Now, what is the total distance by total time? Now, average speed for entire journey. Average speed for entire journey. Complete. Complete journey. Complete journey. Tell me. What is the total distance? 2D. What is the total time? T1 plus 2T. So this is 2D by T1. What is T1? D by 3 plus 2T. What is 2T? Now uh, T you find from here. See, what is the distance? This distance? Yes, 4.5 T. And what is this distance? 7.5 T. And this plus this distance is D. So 4.5 plus 7.5. How much? 4.5 plus 7.5. Tell me. 12. Okay, so 12T is equal to D. Now T is equal to D by 12. So 2T is equal to D by 6. Okay, so put 2T is equal to D by 6 here. Now you solve this. So this is 2D by D by 3 common, 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So this is 2D, this 3, D by 3 into 3 by 2, 3, 3 cancel. So 2D by D by 2, okay, so 4, 4 answer, DD cancel, 4 answer, 4, note down. Okay, copy this, right, draw the diagram. In the question they have given remaining half distance, divide time into equal parts, divide time into equal parts, divide time into equal parts. What is the total time? Remaining distance total time 2T, so TT, first half time, remaining half time. Okay, clear? Okay, so this is 4.5, this is 7.5, so distance this plus this is equal to D. Okay, but we need 2T and T1 in terms of D and 2T in terms of D. So DD cancel, then solve. Okay, clear. Okay, fine. 22, 3, now 23. Okay, next 23. So acceleration of particle increasing linearly with time as bt. So acceleration is given bt. T is equal to 0. What is x? Origin. And what is initial velocity? V naught. Distance traveled after time t. Okay, how will you solve? Integration you have to do or differentiation? Tell me. Integration or differentiation? Integration, how you start? dv by dt is equal to bt and what is dv? 6t dt. Understood? Now integrate. What is initial velocity? V naught. After time, what is the velocity? V. Initial time 0, after time t. So dv, what is the integration? Delta v. And so delta v, what you write? V minus v naught. Or you can write like this also. Upper limit minus lower limit. 60 dt, 60 square by 2. So 3t square. So v minus v naught is 3t square. So what is v? 3t square plus v naught. Understood? Now v can be written as dx by dt. So dx by dt is 3t square plus v naught. So what is dx? 3t square dt plus v naught dt. Now integrate. What is integration of dx? X. And this is 3t cube by 3 plus v naught t. Now here you put limit 0 to x, and here you put limit 0 to t. So x, because when time is 0, x is 0. Time 0 means x 0. So x minus 0 is equal to t cube plus v naught t. Okay, so what is that x? T cube plus v naught t. Okay. Oh, instead of b I took 6. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you corrected. Okay, write b here. So bt square by 2. Bt square by 2. Okay, so it will be bt square by 2 here. So v minus v naught is bt square by 2. So v is equal to bt square by 2 plus v naught. So here you will write dx by dt is equal to bt square by 2 plus v naught. So dx is equal to bt square by 2 dt plus v naught dt. Now integrate. So x is equal to bt cube by 6 plus v naught t. This bt cube by 6 plus v naught t. Okay. Okay, third option. Okay, 25. Okay, wrote down 25. Now, little tricky question it is. Motion of a body is given by, note down. So, dv by dt, what is given? This question, what is dv by dt? X, acceleration. dv by dt is acceleration. Okay. dv by dt is given 6 minus 3v. Yes, yes. So 6 minus 3v. If body was at rest at t is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, what is velocity? 0. And terminal speed. What is terminal speed? Terminal speed is attained when force is 0. What is terminal speed? What is terminal speed? You remember in fluids. Fluids chapter you remember? Anyone? Fluids. Okay. Okay, good. What is terminal speed? What is terminal speed when force is? You memorize this, okay? Force 0 means acceleration 0. Force 0 means acceleration 0. So what is the value of terminal speed? Equated to 0. Equal to 0. So 3v is equal to 6. What is v? 2. So what is the terminal velocity? Tell me. 2. So first is correct or not? First option? Correct. Remaining 3 are lengthy. I will teach this later. Okay. The remaining 3 options we'll discuss later. Okay. Initial acceleration also later only. We have to integrate it. I will teach this tomorrow. Okay. In regular class I will discuss. Remind me. We'll do this tomorrow. So first option is correct. Okay, particle of mass m moves along x-axis. It starts from 0, from point 0, comes to rest at 1 second. At the point x1, no information available about motion. If alpha is acceleration, okay. So see, suppose this is time t is equal to 0, it is x equal to 0, x equal to 0, time t is 0. After 1 second, it is at x1. X is equal to x1 after 1 second. No other information. See, it is possible that it is coming with constant velocity. If coming with constant velocity, if coming with constant velocity, suppose constant velocity is v. So what is the distance? What is the distance covered? X1 is equal to Vt and t is 1. Suppose it is coming with 2 meter per second. So what is the distance covered in 1 second? 2 meter, correct? So acceleration in that case, what is acceleration in that case? 0. Now, suppose initial velocity 0, start from rest. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. After 1 second, what is the distance covered? Tell me. After 1 second, what is the distance covered? S is equal to ut plus half at square. So what is the distance covered? 1 meter. So acceleration can be 0, can be non-zero. First option is saying acceleration cannot remain positive. Acceleration can be 0, can be positive. Acceleration cannot exceed 2 meter per second square. No, it can be 3 also. If it is 3, then what is the value? Suppose acceleration is 3, so half into 3 into 1 square. Half into 3 into 1 square. So what is the x1? What is x1? 1.5. Oh, wait. Second line, what it is saying? Second line, t is equal to 0. Where is the particle? T is equal to 0. Where is the particle? T is equal to 0. X equal to 0. And it is at rest. And t is equal to 1. It is at x1. Again coming to rest. Means here rest, but after 1 second it is here and rest. It means what? It is divided into two parts, acceleration and deceleration. Acceleration and deceleration. If acceleration is there, so what is the sign? What is the sign of acceleration? Positive. Deceleration means sign of acceleration? Negative. It means acceleration is changing its direction. Acceleration changing its direction. Note down. So fourth is correct. Note down. Fourth option is correct. Okay. Now 5 minutes you take break. I will continue again. Okay. 5 to 10 minutes you take break. Okay. Clear? Understood? All questions are important. We'll discuss all questions today only. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start new chapter. That is laws of motion currently going on. What is the momentum? Will start. Okay. Tomorrow. Momentum. No doubt. We'll continue. 5 minutes you take break.